What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are good and safe. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today, guys, I will speak about trading psychology in general, uh, not only for Forex, but as you guys know, Forex is my main focus. That's what I do on a day-to-day basis. And yeah, I'm gonna talk about this today because trading psychology is very, very important, as well as risk management. I have a risk management video on my channel as well. Feel free to check it out after you watch this video. And yeah, guys, before I jump into the video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you like the content. If you're interested into Forex, crypto, and NFTs, that's what I cover in my channel. And yeah, let me just get straight to the point. So, what do I mean by trading psychology? Okay, so by trading psychology, I mean more than one thing. So, the first thing that's probably the most important one is to know when to take a loss and move on. Because me personally, one of my biggest struggles when I started trading was to accept a loss because usually I was losing, let's say, two, maybe three trades in a row. And then I started to risk even more to be like, okay, I want to make this whole amount back and even more. I was basically revenge trading. That's how it's called, revenge trading. So every single time I did that, I always ended up blowing my account, and there's no reason for me to deny it. Okay, I was doing the wrong thing, and it took me some time and some money as well to understand that you cannot become a millionaire overnight. And like I was thinking that okay, I can flip $100 to 1K, and then I will flip 1K to 10K, then 10K to 100K, and then the 100K into a million, you know. That's how I was thinking about it. And trust me, it's impossible. Okay, if you see people that claim that okay, this is possible, trust me, it's not. Okay, so the most important thing is to stop revenge trading. I cannot stress enough about this. Just set a certain amount in money or in percentage. I would advise setting it in percentage that you're able to lose in one day. And if you hit that value, you just stop trading for the day. Okay, basically, I would recommend around 3% on personal accounts, and on prop firm accounts, I would say 2%. Okay. Um, so after you hit, let's say, minus 3% in a day, you just stop trading for that whole day, and you come back into the market the next day. Okay, don't try to revenge trade. Trust me, it is not going to work. Learn from my mistakes. Do not lose your own money just to then realize that I was right. Okay, trust me, you won't make money revenge trading. You might get lucky once, but then three, four times you lose the whole account. So you don't want that. Okay. Secondly, I would advise you guys to actually set a daily target. So let's say you have a 3% daily loss where you just stop, just set a 5% or 3% daily target. So once you hit 3% in profit, you just close the day, okay? You just close the day and you wait for the next day and you just chill, okay? Because this is very, very important, and it helps you in the long term, and that's what you want. You want gains in the long term. You don't want to make some money in a day and then blow the entire account the next day. Okay, so this is also very, very important. Or if you want, you can set a weekly target instead of a daily target. That means that, let's say you set a 10% weekly target, and let's say you hit it on a Tuesday. After you hit it on a Tuesday, you then just stop trading the whole week, even though it's a Tuesday. I know a lot of you guys might be like, oh, but why would I stop? Because I would miss out on so many opportunities. And yes, that might be true, but in the same time, the longer you stay in the market, the more you will be exposed. Okay. So it's better sometimes to just take your profit and go and just chill, do something else. So this is basically the second tip that I find very, very important. Just make sure to note them down, or of course, if you can, just just rewatch the video. You will remember it. It's not that hard, but just learn from my mistakes, okay? Don't lose money and time and nerves just to realize that, okay, that guy was right. I shouldn't revenge trade. I should just set a percentage, and if that's get hit, I'm just done for the day or for the week, okay? Do that, and trust me, over time you will be profitable, okay? The next tip that I can give you guys is to hold your trades, because I know a lot of people that just get into a trade, their setup is okay, but they're just stressing over it. They're just stressing over it. They enter their TP, their stop loss, and instead of just letting the trade run, they constantly stay on the charts and see what price does. They freak out. And then when they freak out, they be like, okay, let me close this trade. I don't trust it anymore. And then it turns out that that trade actually hits TP. And then you guys are all set. Trust me, I know how it is. I went through it as well. It's no shame, okay? My advice would be, once you enter a trade, just forget about it. If you want, you can set a alert once the trade is um, 1 to 1 in profit. Once you reach 1 to 1, you will get a alert, and then you will come to your chart and set your stop loss at break even if you want to secure your capital. And after that, just leave the trade run. Either way, either it's gonna hit your stop loss at break even, or you take profit. Or if you want, you can just leave it the way it was when you entered. You just place your stop loss and take profit and just leave it running, okay? Don't stress over it. Don't stay on the charts anymore. Don't open the Euro USD chart anymore. If, let's say, you enter a buy here, let's say you enter a long position right here on Euro USD. After this candle, you would have placed your stop loss here and take profit at this level right here, okay? And then you would have stayed on the chart. You would have seen this rejection here. You'd be like, oh, this is this resistance level over here. Price might come down. Let me take profit over here. And you would take profit here in fear. And then look what the market did. The market breached through this level and hit your actual TP. So if you want to be safe, once price reaches 1 to 1, which is around here, I guess, then you can come in your MT4 and adjust your stop loss at break even and just let the trade run and do its thing, okay? This is very, very important, because if you don't do this, it will affect your risk management. And if your risk management is affected, you won't be profitable. Trust me. With every single strategy that you won't be profitable if you have a poor risk management, okay? It's that simple. And this is very, very important, to be able to let your trades run and do not stress about them, okay? Just enter, place a stop loss, take profit, and then just move on to another pair or do something else till you get a alert that your stop loss or take profit was hit. If that happens, then you check how much you gained in that certain day. And if it hit your daily target, you just stop. Or if it hit your daily loss, you just stop. It is that simple. You must trade like a robot, you know? Because if you trade with feelings, if you stress about it, then trust me, you will only lose money and you won't be able to be profitable. And yeah, these are pretty much my trading psychology tips that I wanted to share with you guys. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section. If you want to learn my strategies and join my signal group, join my community, make sure to DM me on Telegram. I will leave you the link down in my video description. And yeah, guys, this was pretty much it for today's video. I wish you all a good day, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.